Okay, back on the Maico build today, and I had a little bit of a disappointment after my good start to the new year 2022, getting the ignition in and getting it sparking and this, that and the other. And I'd said, one of the last things that I said was my next job was to get the carb sorted out. And so I've got a box of carbs which came with the bike, and I was expecting everything to be in there for me to build the flipping thing. And obviously I was expecting to have to clean it and make it all nice and this, that and the other. But when I've gone in, I'll just show you. When I've gone in, so I've got three complete carb bodies, and I've got bags of bits, etc, etc. But in none of these, so I've spoken to a guy who's told me that the carb that I should be using is a 36mm, which is this one. So, but in all of these carbs, like the main jet holder's missing, there are no jets at all, there's no needles, etc, etc, etc. So I've had to order all that stuff, so that's going to come over the next probably week or so. So I can't get on with that particular bit of the job, which is really what I wanted to do. I wanted to put the carb on, and then I wanted to put the airbox in behind it, so it would all be nice and logical and everything. But that's not going to work for me. So what I'm going to do now, start on the general build. So we're going to do the swing arm and the rear shocks and the rear mudguard and put the airbox in and all of that kind of stuff. And there's nothing particularly interesting going on there. So I'm gonna run through that without videoing it, because it's, you know, boring stuff. It's just bolting stuff in, really. If I get to anything that's of particular interest, I'll video it. But the next thing you're really going to hear from me is when I get some of these extra bits. I mean, I'm still waiting for the fork tubes that I sent off for e-chroming, so I can't build the forks, blah blah blah. But I'd like to video doing the triple clamps, the forks, the carb, the exhaust. I mean, I can't really put, and building the wheels is another major job. But until I get those bits done, I'm just going to crack on and put the rest of the bike together. Like I say, the easy bits, really, the stuff that you're not really going to be interested in, I don't think. And then once I get another interesting bit of work to do, I'll video that and I'll check back in with you, and hopefully the bike will be moved on massively in the next week or so. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.